Aside from governance, ano pa yung focus ng PCCI ngayon?
The second one is trade. Definitely, we want to give stability and economic resilience to our country. With all this geopolitical, we always call it, geopolitical happenings globally, we should position Philippines and put our MSMEs and sama na natin yung large companies.
Okay.
We should put our businesses in a position of really relying on the Philippines. And we would like to be part of the future on where all this technology are going globally. We want to be part of that chain dito sa Philippines, whether it is food security, water security, and also technology. We want to be part of that. The Philippine semiconductor electronics industry is the largest exporter in the Philippines, but it's also one of the largest importers of materials. To be able to improve its supply chain, so imbes na bili tayo sa labas, we can help our Filipino entrepreneurs and just build it here or buy it here. But it needs the upscaling and rescaling and technology to be able to support, because semiconductor electronics are very advanced there when it comes to technology.
Mga Kanet 25, this is Cesar Vallejos of Open for Business. For more updates, just click the subscribe button and follow us on Net25 social media pages at Net25 TV and at Net25 Entertainment Facebook pages.